If you're wanting to learn how to keep your business and/or corporation tax compliant, you've come to the right place. As business owners, we want to make it easy for you to understand how to keep your business tax compliant and, if necessary, achieve a letter of good standing. Follow along with us to learn what is expected of you as a business owner. A letter of good standing is issued by the Oklahoma Secretary of State to corporations whose franchise taxes are in compliance with state tax laws. A letter of good standing can be needed for several reasons: when selling the corporation, when financing is needed, when changing the business name with the Oklahoma Secretary of State, or when legally dissolving or withdrawing the corporation with the Oklahoma Secretary of State. A corporation remains in good standing upon verification that the corporation is in compliance with timely franchise tax filings and payments each year. If your corporation is registered with the Oklahoma Secretary of State as a foreign corporation, you must also pay a $100 registered agent's fee each year in order to remain in good standing. Limited liability corporations are not required to file franchise taxes, therefore they do not receive letters of good standing. If your corporation is non-compliant, you will first receive a delinquent notice in the mail from the OTC. If 30 days later your corporation is still non-compliant, you will receive a second and final delinquent notice. If 60 days after that your corporation is still non-compliant, your corporation will be suspended. A corporation can be reinstated upon verification that all required franchise tax returns have been filed and paid, including the registered agent's fee if applicable. A $150 reinstatement fee would also be required. Once a corporation has regained compliance with the OTC, you can request a letter of good standing from the OTC via phone call, email, by letter or web request through OKTAP by sending us a message with your request. Businesses that are not corporations can also fall out of compliance if they don't adhere to timely filing of all returns, pay all taxes, or keep permits up to date. If your business is not in compliance, you will be notified with a letter from the OTC. Depending on the reason for non-compliance, you could receive a delinquent return letter, a billing coupon for any unpaid taxes, or a hold letter when trying to renew a sales tax permit. To regain tax compliance with the OTC, you would need to file all required returns and pay back all taxes. Thanks for watching. We hope you've learned more about how to keep your business or corporation within tax compliance. Follow us on social media for helpful tips, reminders, and important announcements.